Okay, so we're good to go now. For those that weren't able to join us on this live call with Engineer, this is him. This is the creator of Engineering Robo. He'll introduce himself here in just a second, but we're going to go through some questions, some live questions, and just have some fun today and talk about Engineering Robo. Maybe talk about the macro market. Maybe he has some ideas on that as well.
Absolutely, bro.
Yeah. Okay, well, take it away, Engineer. Let them know who you are.
Yeah, I am ready, man. Thank you for inviting me. It is great to be here, guys. So I am excited and I am ready to answer any of your question you might have.
Hi, engineer. This is Bhavan Shankar.
Hey, buddy.
Uh, I'm very happy to see you. First of all, we are meeting all the times in emails and mails, WhatsApp groups and Telegram groups. Happy to see you.
Yeah, buddy. Finally.
Yeah, finally. And the thing is, uh, I'm very new. I'm since 3 years. But what about this bull run? Is there or not? Because so many altcoins are coming. Previously in 2021, there are almost like 10,000 to 11,000 altcoins. But right now, if you look at it, almost like 30 to 40,000, as you said. So is the bull run is there or
Okay,
only
what's
specific?
the exact question? So ask me your question one more time.
Is that bull run is there? Like Ethereum market is going to flow, money is going to flow into Ethereum and flow into alts, or only specific coins only it's going to raise? It's very impossible to.
Sure.
That's the I mean a real doubt right now. What I have, maybe I'm
Okay,
wrong, but
so absolutely. So let me give you a little bit detailed answer and a little bit detailed background information about me. Then I will come to your question.
sure,
So
sure.
the first time I bought my first Bitcoin in November 2013. At
Oh
that
my God.
time, one Bitcoin was around $200. So slide after it doubled, it became $400 and I sold it. It was in 2013, 2014. And then 2016, the beginning of 2016, I just like reading the news and then I saw that Bitcoin's price was around $800 at that time. And I said, what the fuck, man? Like I sold it for $200, say $400. Now it doubled. Let me see. And then November 2016, exactly 3 years later, I decided to be a crypto investor. And I purchased it many Litecoin. The price was around $4, $5, around like this. Litecoin didn't bring us like a life-changing opportunities because at that time Ethereum was around like 8-10 bucks as well too. Every bull market I experienced, Bhavani brother. So I experienced 2016, 2017 bull market. I
Yeah.
experienced 2020, 2020 bull, 21 bull markets
Okay.
that every single time we had a huge crash in the market and we were feeling that this is the end, market will never recover, so we have a huge problem, we don't know what's going on. The people who were trading on futures market, they got liquidated, and but only 2 months after we were talking about like this, so many coins, they went to 5x, 10x, 30x multiplier. So all of them, they got crazy return. So now let me answer your question. Let me tell you the one of the biggest difference that I am experienced with the previous bull market and the current bull market is the biggest differences, let me say differences, that at that time we didn't have many coins. In 2015, 2016, maybe we were just talking about the 100 coins.
Okay.
2013, 2014, there were around only 50 coins. And I am still keeping the one of the picture from 2013. I can share it
Okay.
in the Discord group if you guys want. There are the crazy names like a peer coin, Spain coin, this kind of that you guys probably never heard about this kind of coins. And we were trading those coins. And 2016, 17, 100 coin, 2020, 21, easily 1,000 coin. And now I pretty much forgot all the coins name, man. Like I don't remember, or I have no idea no time to check out their website. So now I want to give you after the long explanation to your question, is it the bull market ended? If you look at the historical Bitcoin chart, the bull market should continue until minimum May 2025 and late this current bull cycle. So buy for sale, brother. I wanna send it one chart. Can you share it? Just one sec. I wanna send it on one chart, and this is an important one, and I want to share it with all of you guys. Just 1 second.
Yeah, go ahead when you're ready.
Sure, that's an important one, and I want everyone to see this one. Brother, I share it to you on Telegram. Can you share it with the people?
Okay. Yeah, I didn't know if you wanted to share it yourself, but I'll bring it up here.
I don't know why my computer is lagging right now a little bit, so that's why I didn't want to share it.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. So guys, I did this chart in 2020. So it has been almost 5 years old chart. And this chart got more than 5 million views on social media. So at one point, it was almost 3 million views on Twitter, and almost all like a big crypto channel, Coindex, Cointelegraphy. Everyone was talking about this chart at that time, almost 4 or 5 years ago that I shared it. One thing that I want to show you guys that if you look at the blue one, bull market cycle.
We are unable to see the chart. Sorry, engineer. Sorry to interrupt
Oh,
you.
you can't see it? Hang on. Let's see. Let me make sure it should be working. Let's try this one.
Some of the members can see the chart.
Yeah, give me 1 second. Let me just reshare it. Should be working on my end. Let's see.
I was seeing it. By the way.
Okay.
Yeah, I was.
Unable,
there we go.
We are unable to. I mean, I'm unable to. Maybe others might check it out. Anyone can see that?
I
can see it, for example.
Yeah, I'll send you the link. Hang on. I'll put the link in the chat to where if you can't see it, you can still do it that way.
No problem. No problem.
Or I can share it. I can share it even on the Discord group.
Okay.
Just 1 second. I am sharing in the Discord group. VIP launch. Guys, I am sharing on the VIP launch.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, VIP launch. I am sending right now. I send it on the VIP launch. Okay, guys, the people that can see from the screen, or they can look at the VIP launch on Discord group, that I prepared this post almost like 5 years ago. If you look at the blue one, the bull market cycle, the first one, it took 243 days. The second bull market, it took 368 days. The third one that buy for sale is experienced 525 days. And then the fourth one, it started May 2020, and it continued until Elon Musk shared the post on Twitter that he said that he will not accept Bitcoin as a payment for Tesla. Bike for sale. Do you remember this post, bro?
I do. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the post. After, so let me correct it. After this post, bear market started. He tweeted on Twitter and he said that Tesla will not accept Bitcoin as a payment option. May 2021. And then later on, market recovered a little bit during the November 2021, but not all the altcoins they recovered from the May to November. And so what I try to say, you guys, the halving, it became between 2020 and 2000, like a bull market, 2020 to 2022. It took 2 years. What does 2 years mean? 700 days, more than 720 days. So what I can try to say, and I will give the answer, every single time I experience that bull markets are going longer and longer. And this time, bull market can go 2.5 years. If it is the case, this bull market will continue until the end of 2025. I look at the chart. So that's the answer. And I don't want to give my gut feeling. I just want to talk with the numbers. So with the numbers, it's saying that the bull market will continue because it's getting longer and longer until at the end of 2025. Now I can give you the answer, Boavani, your question, brother. Is the bull market ended? From this chart, it's not ended. But if you look at the Engineering Robo, man, we are all bearish right now for everything.
Okay.
Okay, so Engineering Robo is bearish to Solano. Engineering Robo bearish to SUI. Engineering Robo is bearish to NIUSDT. Like Engineering Robo is bearish to everything, almost pretty much all the altcoin. Bike for sale. By the way, bro, we are looking at the 3 out of 5 confirmation from now on. We don't only look at AI buy and AI sell. So we are out of AI buy and AI sell only. We always look at the 3 out of 5 confirmation since September. So AI social intelligence score, you can activate it and people can see the dashboard as well.
Yeah, I was just going to show, let me show that first, what you're talking about, the 3 out of 5. So this is what he's referring to right here. You know, you got the AI buy signal. You're just asking yourself these questions, these 5 questions, and if 3 or 5,
yeah,
3
exactly.
of 5 are correct, you're good.
Until September, our main plan was buying with the AI buy 50%, and we had some rules, 50, 30, 20 rules, buy for sale, and some of the guys know. And now we changed it to 50, 30, 20 rules a little bit, and instead of giving 50% power to AI buy, we changed it and we gave the power to 3 out of 5 confirmation. So if you guys look at it, AI social intelligence score at the top, buy for sale, share it, is red 4. It means it's bearish. Engineering Robo AI signal is bearish and cloud is bearish. Technical pattern, we can spend 10 minutes over there and I can show you technical pattern is bearish. And the number 4 is the smart money. Bro, can you show the smart money? It is not exactly open for you guys, but it is under the dashboard. Maybe at the end of this year, I can make it public to everyone. I am still working on it. If you guys can see, smart money is also out. So as you can easily see, 4 things that I mentioned: social intelligence score 1, smart money 2, cloud 3, AI 4, and that number 5 is the 5th one is downtrend line. And also you can see it is below the downtrend line. So we are pretty much 5 out of 5 is bearish. So if you ask my personal opinion, are we in bear market? I don't say maybe we are not in bear market, but definitely Engineering Robo is saying that get out of the market a few weeks ago.
Okay. Very much clear. Very much clear.
Okay, let's get into some of these questions that that were in the VIP chat, if you would. I think Rabbeat, he asked one right here at 11:09. You see that one? Can you hear me? Am I still talking?
Brother, let me read it.
Okay.
Where is the question? Which one is the question?
11:09. It says, well, 11:09
Okay,
for me.
so will you consider creating a strategy for the indicator? It will allow the compare the performance of the indicator in different time and how to remove it, which is very powerful. Can you click that one? Okay, I guess this is French, but that's okay. We can understand. So let me tell you what are the things that I didn't like it here. What I like at the beginning, the drawdown is 18%. That's what I like, drawdown. What I didn't like is that only they tested with the 21 post. And the third one is that how long did it take for 21 posts? Just giving example, he did the testing on BTC USDT index. Can you show it on TradingView by for sale, brother?
Which one is this?
BTC USDT index. Can you open BTC USDT index? Yeah, I do know that this is just an example, but I just want to show one thing. Can you type, brother, BTC USD index, USD index? The third one. No, just yeah. And third
all-time
one.
history.
So,
Okay.
yeah. So what I want from the developers, if you coded any algorithm, now the coding algorithm is as easy as creating the coin. So everyone is creating the algorithm. It's kind of like creating meme coin. Can you zoom out? Can you click the like a weekly or monthly and can you zoom out? Maybe monthly is also okay. Monthly is okay. So zoom out, brother. Zoom out a little bit. And if you want, you can open the log and auto too. Okay. So yeah. So if you guys, so what I want, if someone is working on the creating its own algorithm, like it takes too much time. I personally don't recommend it, not because I want to get new competition. Everyone can join this game. But what I recommend to people, they have to test their algorithm. They have to do back testing on this chart, BTC USD, because this chart is giving 15 years of data and you can see exactly all the detail on this chart. So many people on TradingView, what they do many testing, 10, 15, 20, and they do share the best result on the market. And generally, how you can understand is the good or bad. Generally, one of the options is that they have to do it the result at least 200, 300 times. So I have some of the example that I can share it here. Just 1 second, guys.
Yeah, and it looks like he was asking specifically for like higher cap altcoins if there was some kind of backtest ability.
Because there is 14 is over there. They just tested with the 14 back testing. I personally, I didn't like it a lot. If you ask my personal question, answer.
Oh, he's he's clarifying his question. He's saying, I want to know if it's possible to make a trading view strategy from your indicator to get the window that he shared where it would actually show the backtest information. Like,
Okay,
is there
sure.
anything
Just
within your code?
yes, brother. Just 1 second.
Yeah, I hear you, Rab. Yeah, an indicator is not the same as a strategy.
By for sale. So his question is that he wants to see not indicator. So his question is that he wants to see the strategy. Is it the question?
Right. Yeah. So it would have to be something within your code that would allow
Yeah.
for, for that back test.
Yeah. So I didn't share it the strategy, but what I did, I told everyone that this result, it doesn't make sense to me. Let me share it. Just 1 second. So this one has no meaning to me. Because I have been in this market. Guys, can you show it the post that I shared? And we can work on it. So this one has no meaning to me. This is the result from Engineering Robo. The reason it is no meaning to me, because there are so many questions that as a developer, I do also ask to people. Is it your best result or is just the average result? Number two, which market conditions you are getting it? How many years of back testing you did it? Did you use 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 25 minutes time frame, 45 minutes time frame, 3 hours, 1 day? And especially did you pick the specific coin or how many times you did the back testing? That's being said, bike for sale. I am sharing this to the people who are interested in. But if you ask me the importance of this is what you are sharing right now, it is less than 15-20% for me. What I really want people to do it with Engineering Robo, open Engineering Robo, get 1 week free trial, go to the BTC USD index, not other coin, 15 years result is over there. Open Engineering Robo AI strategies, look for the 3 out of 5, and then you decide is Engineering Robo is working or not on specific this chart, and you can do it 15 years back testing manually. So many people, and I know, for example, I know my biggest competitor on TradingView. I want to give the name as well. Probably everyone is knowing that my biggest competitor on TradingView is Lux Algo. We pretty much started the same time. They started in 2018, late 2018, and I started middle of the 2019. The biggest differences between Engineering Robo, there are many differences, honestly, but the biggest difference is that they have been keep coding algorithm. They share it. We pretty much start the same time. In the last 5 years, I shared it only 4 algorithm on TradingView, and Bike for Sale knows all of them. Engineering Robo Deluxe, Engineering Robo Premium, and now Engineering Robo AI in the past 5 years. They shared more than 100, maybe 1,000 code. And if you look at all of the codes, it's working perfectly. 70% success rate, 80% success rate. The result, I have never seen these guys are getting amazing result. So the code result is good and it might give you the shiny opinion to you. Exactly. The back testing is a plus, but that's not the must. But I always tell the people that get Engineering Robo 1 week free trial, go to BTC USD, only spend 1 hour. I am giving 1 week free trial. Bro, you don't need 1 week free trial. You only need 1 hour. And do manual testing on daily chart first. Daily chart. Because 80% of the traders are swing traders. And I can discuss until morning time. Guys, this is my time zone. I am in Istanbul right now. Is 9. And I can discuss with you until morning time for hours and hours. 80% of the traders, they should and they must trade on the 1 day time frame. And if you are satisfied with Engineering Robo's 3 out of 5 confirmation on BTC USD index chart for the last 15 years, and if you are satisfied with it, and if your financial situation is also allowed to do it, go and get it. Make your job so easily, and it will give you a better return than what you are seeing 100% success rate indicator. Because you test it manually and step by step. That's all.
Yep. Okay.
So that's
good.
why I am not into so much sharing study and giving this option, because I don't believe that this result.
Yeah. And I agree with that. I mean, that's exactly the way that I approached it. Is I would rather do my own back testing manually, because it helps me to learn how to trade it as well while I'm doing it.
Brother, you have been trading, as far as I know, already 4 or 5 years, but I know maybe more than 4 or 5 years. You already see it. Look at this post that Rockbit, they shared it. Guys, I am sharing algorithm and I am personally trading, and buy for sale knows very well, and all the other people. I am, first of all, I am a trader. First, I am a trader. Then, if I call myself, I am a coder. I got my Bachelor of Science degree in Electrical Electronics Engineer and specialize in computer engineering, because for the last 2 years, I specialize in computer engineering. Even though I didn't code everything, but I got some idea, because this is Pine script language, and we didn't learn the no one learns Pine script language. It's one of the easiest language that anyone can learn if they spend 6 months. But the problem is that not coding any algorithm. The problem is that, first of all, as a trader, and buy for sale knows very well, as a trader, I always tell the people, are you a successful trader? That's the number one. If you are not a successful trader, please, please, please do not code anything. If you are a successful trader, minimum 2 years, then ask yourself, is there any tool that makes my job easier? If yes, use it, any tools. If you couldn't find any of the tools out of 100 tools on TradingView right now, paid, unpaid, then you can start to question yourself, okay, is there any way that I can code my strategy on PineScript? And that's what I did. I was a day trader between 2016 and 2019, and I was a successful guy. And I can show you all my proof, guys. Not from 2020-21. I can show you guys that I was a successful trader even at that time, 2016, 17, 18. Of course, the bear market gave me a really tough time. That's a different story. But after my strategy was working perfectly, by investing 16 hours per day, I start to question myself. Bro, I told myself, 16 hours is too long. Is there any way that I can make it this time shorter? That's how I start to work on Engineering Robo algorithm and I hire the developers.
Yeah. We're glad you did too, because it makes it easier. Did you want to, here's another question from Rab, if you want to jump into that one. Basically, he's just asking something that you mentioned about in your VIP alert channel, how you got a 26x. He was curious how you use the tools to get a scalp trade like that.
So for that one, brother, we explain step by step. This camera doesn't stop right now. That's moving. It was my mistake to play. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so right now I explained this rule in the VIP alert group. Maybe Bike for Sale also share it with you guys. So we have total 6 proven success scalping strategies. 6 total. And one of them, Bike for Sale knows very well, and some of the other members too, we call volume and volatility strategy. What does it mean, volume and volatility strategy? It's a scalping strategy, and that's the only strategy that we do follow the coins on 5 minutes time frame. And once the coin gain more than 100% in 24 hours, this strategy is applied. And that's so simple. I mean, explanation is so simple, is that once the coin gain more than 100%, you look for the weakness from the coin. And when you catch the weakness, you open a short position. And as long as the coin stays enough volatile, we keep going the trade on 5 minutes time frame. And if you look at this chart, guys, the first AI buy, Bike for Sale, can you show the first AI buy? Okay. Some people were asking me, hey, engineer, can we catch this AI buy? It was a different subject, maybe not this one, but I can catch maybe 5-10 minutes later. Not maybe at the bottom. I cannot catch the bottom. Yes, brother, thank you so much for showing that area. I might catch around this one. But this strategy is not catching the big moves. This strategy is after this coin gain more than 100% in 24 hours, looking for weakness. This strategy divided into 2 parts. Number 1, for beginner, medium level strategy, friendly strategy, and 1 advanced level strategy. And advanced level strategy is telling us that you should get help from support resistance line. And Bike for Sale knows this thing very well. And maybe one of the one of the member knows very well. We also get help from support resistance line that you guys can see orange and green. The green we call scalping zone. The green we call scalping zone. What does it mean, scalping zone? That's I teach the people at the scalping workshop, specifically scalping. Above the green zone, scalper should go main open long position. And as long as it stay below the green zone, we mainly open short position. Long story short, guy, we opened the first short position at the green, resistance level 0.55. The second short position I open at the AI cell. Brother, can you show me the AI cell? Exactly. So I opened 2 short position and my first short position came from 0.51. The second position was 0.42 and my average was 0.48 first short position. And I opened my first short position 0.48 and I closed it around 0.33 at the orange support level. I took the loss of profit. Brother, can you show me the time zone at the below of the picture? Guys, yes, you can see that's a time zone for my Istanbul time. Now, actually, I am Canadian. I have been living in Canada. I'm Turkish Canadian actually. 15 years in Canada, but this time zone shows my current time zone. And if you can see, AI buy came up around 3:30 a.m. Not that one, bro. 3:30 a.m.
You're talking about this very bottom one?
No, not that one. Not that one. Yes, that
This
AI
one.
buy now, it was showing up at 3:30 a.m. I was sleeping. What I did, I just put the stop loss. And this is the only time as a trader that I put the stop loss when I am sleeping. However, if the position in a huge profit, if my position is not in the huge profit, I don't keep the open position when I am sleeping. Never, never, never. But if I am in a huge long position, what I do, I can put a stop loss for my entry level, 0.48. And I can take lots of profit before I go to sleep. This AI buy came when I was sleeping. I didn't see, but I had my stop loss open. And before I wake up, because I wake up late, this AI sell came. And when I woke up actually around 9-10 a.m., the candles, they were at the at the support level. Bro, can you show all this candle at this? Yes. Thank you so much, brother. So, and I understood that's the advanced level. This support level is working perfectly. Guys, by the way, I want to tell you one thing. I didn't share this support resistance level after everything is complete. I shared this support resistance line, everything in advance at the first pump. So I knew that which levels it will work, at which level it will not work. So I draw everything at the beginning first, then I apply my strategy. I don't change support resistance level when I am trading. And when I saw that around 9 a.m. at the support level, I took extra profit. Why? Because I have a short position and this is my strong support level. And Bike for Sale knows very well that I specialize in support resistance. If you guys tell me, hey engineer, what kind of guy you are? Are you an algo trader? The first thing I gave the answer, no, bro. I am first support resistance guy. Then the second, I am an algo trader. And then when I was following the signal, AI buy came and I closed my short position completely and I opened the long position. Brother, can you show the long position? Exactly. And then beside that one, there is a result. You can see it. And then that's a short position. I couldn't close all of them at the 0.55 because I was rushing it to take profit and other stuff. Actually, that one is more than 0.47. It came around 0.51. And then later on, I opened the short position after I see the weaknesses. Some people might ask me, bro, why you didn't open a short position at 0.55? Your resistance level is at the 0.55. And my answer is that, yes, I have a resistance level at 0.55. However, I have to see some weaknesses either from Engineering Robo or from my support resistance level. And when I make sure that they stay exactly, brother, thank you so much for showing exactly the same level that I want to show. Around that time, I opened the short position.
Sure, that was
And
good.
the rest of them is the same strategy over and over, guy. And I just want to tell you one more thing, guy. This story, it didn't end it here. And after the candles goes above 0.55, they doubled the price. They went extra 100%. If you open the Binance or any other trading view chart, guys, you can open all of them. And if you can look at it, after this 0.55, after they break 0.55, they went as high as $1.2. Now pretty much 0.90 or something else right now, BNX. So that's why I have been telling everyone, and especially Bike for Sale knows very well, that do not jump from the coin to coin to coin to coin to coin to coin. Once you find the coin, stick with it, get maximized profit and leave it. And that's how we made more than 20x in a few days. And that's my strategy, and Bike for Sale knows, because he is the member for us like already 4 or 5 years since the beginning. I can say that my style is not spending 16 hours in front of the screen. But when I got the opportunity, my style is to getting the highest profit ever from the any coin as a swing trader or scalper.
Yeah, that's good. So, for everybody watching this, I mean, of course, this is scalping. You have to have experience doing this. You need to know how to find your support resistance levels. But just so you know, Engineering Robo does have, as you're learning, it is good to learn. Let me find it here. It is good to learn how to do support resistance lines, but it does have an option here while you're learning, to draw it for yourself or to draw it with Engineering Robo. So it'll pop up here in a minute, but let me see what else we got here on the chat while that's popping. There we go.
Brother, uptrend, downtrend. Yeah, uptrend, downtrend line. It doesn't work well. I don't like it, uptrend, downtrend line. But support resistance line, I would give 80 score out of 100. It is still better than nothing.
Yeah, it's really strong. I mean, you can see it's respecting important areas.
No, it's good, bro. Like I am giving 80 point. Like I mean, 80 is amazing. But I personally, I don't want you to open this one. I want you to show your own manual draw, because you got the workshop. You have been trading in the market. I want you to also maximize and get 100 out of 100. But if you want to get a little bit lazy, yeah, that's example. And if you want to get lazy and if you want to do something, sure. But the one that you manually draw, what you can do, some of the people, I am telling to people, hey, after you draw, just open the Engineering Robo's dynamic support resistance level and you can combine it, or you can retest it, or you can get the second opinion. That's one of the options that I can recommend to people, especially for the Engineering Robo members.
Okay. Let me just see. Let's verify if we've got any other questions here. Okay, so he was just he wants to automate the buy and sell signals. It's only possible with a strategy. Yeah, I mean, just to answer that question, that's not within the code of Engineering Robo. I mean, most of these indicators that are packages like Engineering Robo, they don't have that ability to use trading views like backtesting thing that you showed there. It's just not built into the code. Really simple strategies like EMAs and stuff like that. Yeah, you can use it on that, but I don't think you're able to with things like Engineering Robo.
Brother, I want to give answer for that one. That's a great question, actually. There are some different perspective for this situation, and I want to go step by step. That's a great question. Congratulations to person who asked. So that's the number one. Let's go step by step. The number one is that Engineering Robo is not an auto trading bot. From my eyes, Engineering Robo is a robo advisor. It's your co-pilot. So let's say that you are a pilot and you are using Boeing or Airbus, whatever you say, that is that you should be the main captain for your plane. And Engineering Robo should be your robo advisor, your co-pilot. If I have a plane And if my life is also in this plane, in 2025, I don't give my life to the robots. So that's the number one. So what I am thinking that if your life is depending on this plane that you are in, do not give your life to the robots. You should be the main captain, and Engineering Robo or all the other tool should be your co-pilot. However, the bad co-pilot makes your job even harder, but the good co-pilot makes your job easier. Even if you go to sleep, even if you fall asleep, it makes your job easier. That's the number one. Number two, because the first one is not an auto trading bot, is a robo advisor. Number two from this example. Number three, I have been in this market. For some people, I am in this market since 2013. For some people, I am in this market since 2016, depending on how do you see me as the first guy who bought the Bitcoin, or the depending on I became a day trader. Brother, you can open the BTC USD index chart. So that's this give the best information from BTC USD index. Yes. Yeah. So, and third guy, I want to give you one more couple of things too, guys, for this question. And I have been in this market for a long enough for crypto, and I have never seen someone became millionaire or make so much money without putting effort. So all these people around me, and I know thousands and thousands of people in this community, and everyone became wealthy by putting their time, energy, and their money. So that's being said, I don't like the idea of there is some magical robot that you put your money and it trades for you and you became millionaire. It never happened and it will not happen. And the last thing is that Engineering Robo has different indicators. One of them is bike for sale is showing on the screen that AI buy, AI sell. Another one is cloud buy. The third one is AI social intelligence score. All this buy, sell, auto trading bots has only one buy, one sell. But right now, our strategy is 3 out of 5 confirmation. And the final things I am telling you that what I want from the people, and Bike for Sales knows very well that too, I want you guys to make decision on what coin to buy, leave the rest to Engineering Robo. So you will decide what you want to buy. Do you want to buy Solano? Do you want to buy Tron? Do you want to buy Ton? Do you want to buy Node? Do you want to buy Doge, Shiba, Ethereum, Litecoin? You decide what you gonna wanna buy, and leave the rest to Engineering Robo. Engineering Robo will tell you where to buy, where to sell. That's my answer, brother, for the question. By the way, that best buy and best sell zones is one of my favorite one. And before we finish this live stream, I want to talk about this best buy, best sell zone. But after all the question ends, not right now.
Yeah, I just want to, since you just talked about that, I just want to show one token that we played in our group where Engineering Robo helped us. We already had our lines, we were watching for it to get above the bullish line here, which this is the way that I label them. And then we were watching for next support coming down, and we wanted to buy back this when it was time to buy it, but it's not yet. But clearly, this was a very good buy. We got a 10x out of it, I think. And Engineering Robo helped us. It's called SNSY, SNSY. It's just an altcoin. At the time, it was about 10 million market cap, so it was pretty low. But yeah, I mean, we did a lot of study on the project. And
brother, can I ask one thing? Can you open the dashboard?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, open the dashboard. So guys, Engineering Robo AI has almost 2,000 lines of code. It is a little bit lagging, and it's not my issue. Of course, it's not my issue too. But trading views Cloud is not supporting 2000 line of the code, so it's a little bit lagging. Brother, I want you to click replay feature at the top. And can you show the 2025 January 10? Let me see, January 10 or, okay, not that one, not that one, not that one, not that one. Beside, go to the right.
To the right?
No, no. January 10, brother. Can you come to January 10? January
It's
10,
right here.
not this one. January 9,
Mhm.
8, 8, 7, 6. Okay, can you click this one? Just 1 second, brother. Okay. So most of traders think that the correction is over here. And I experienced many times, man. Like since 2017, I saw this chart, as you can see, all of you guys, at least 100 times I experienced. And let me tell you the truth. None of the traders, they sold it here. The reason is that they thought that, why man, everything is recovered right now. The reality, you already saw the reality, but what I want to try to tell you guys, what strategy that we are using? I already mentioned to you, we are using 3 out of 5 conformation strategy, right? Look at right now. Engineering Robo AI is bearish. Number 1. Cloud is bearish. Number 2. And AI social intelligence score is 4. Red 4. Do you know what does it mean? Get out of your position. And let me tell you one funny things to you guys. Look at the smart money. The whales are still in. I don't care. Smart money is not always smart. And I mentioned this in my book 2 years ago. And 2 years ago, I wrote down in my book that smart money is not smart. And I told you guys. So, some people are saying that I want to trade just according to smart money. Okay, if you are trading only according to smart money, you are not selling here. And if you are not selling here, you will get a huge loss. From 70,000, 0.007. Thank you, brother. And you can even make it 3x or 5x for the speed. Yeah, 3x is nice, or 5x is even nice. Look, guys. At this point, you already lost 50%. That game is over. You lost 75% of your money right now.
Yeah, I mean, it works great even for altcoins. And that's something I wanted to show.
Now, look at the smart money. Smart money is out right now. Even smart money is out. Some of the people they are still in the trade. I don't know, bro. At least smart money can go out of the trade at one point, but retail traders, they don't. And that's why smart money calls retail traders as dumb money since 19th century.
Yeah.
Because smart money can exit at one point. Retail traders, they don't exit. That's the biggest difference. Smart money can be also late at this example, but they can exit at one point. They don't fall in love with the coin. By the way, Engineering Robo AI is better than smart money that I show it here.
I agree, definitely. Yeah, I thought that was a really good example, though. And just
No, it's
to
amazing example.
at one time I did have a box drawn on here, before any of this happened, because we had this support line, or it was a resistance line that turned support. I was telling the group that if it dipped into this box right here, this was a buy
Amazing.
zone,
Yeah,
and
amazing
it just
explanation,
barely
brother.
dipped into it, and people made a 10x off of it. So it definitely
Amazing
works.
explanation.
Yeah.
Brother, what you did right now with the bullish above, you show the accumulation level.
Hmm.
So this coin were in accumulation for 3-4 months. Amazing explanation.
Yeah. And I think a lot of the
I like this point.
altcoins, we're seeing some altcoins right now that are doing something similar. They haven't really made a move yet, but they will.
But this is a good example, brother. I like this chart. I like this chart. It's easy, simple, profitable. Congratulations, by the way. You made an amazing return. Like, this is a good chart. I like it.
Thank you. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's just a question about the recording. Let's see if there's any more in the chat here. Oh, yeah, here we go. So Bhavani said it's easy to find a coin for shorting after 100%, but how do we find a coin before it pumps 100%? So that's going back to the 3 of 5 idea, isn't it?
Absolutely, brother. We have 6 strategies for it.
Let me find it here again.
Brother, we have 6 strategies for it. Not this one, though. Not this one.
Mhm.
Do you remember the 6 strategies, bro?
I'll just let you go through them. I don't want to mess it up for you. Which chart do you want to look at? This one here?
Recording in progress.
Or do you want to go back to the altcoin chart we were just looking at? Did we lose him? No, he's still there. There he is. Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, brother.
Okay. Did you want to just use this chart or what?
No, this is an amazing chart. Like, we did already explanation for this chart.
Yeah.
Is there any question regarding this chart?
No, he was just saying. Bhavani was asking about. Maybe he doesn't want to scalp a short. Maybe he's just looking for a 2x play. And a lot of people, just to make it clear, what most of the people in our group specifically, they're looking for swing trades, of course. They may be busy
80% of traders are swing trader, bro.
Yeah.
Not just your group. 80% of the traders are swing traders. They accept it or not, they are the part of the swing trading category. 80% of the traders, bro.
Yeah, we talk a lot about market structure and support resistance lines as being the most important thing. Price action's king, right? It's a very important quote. Did you want to go over that? His question?
Okay, brother? I couldn't hear you. What's his question?
His question is, how do you find a coin before it does the 2x?
Okay, first of all, brother, like a 2x is nothing. Like, you know very well. Like, even in your group, you show 10x coin.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so can you show the percentage, bro? SNSY from the beginning of the November from the support level? Yeah. So when it breaks that one, as he mentioned on the chart, bullish above, brother, buy from here. And can you go to the smart money exit or the level that 0.007? Can you show 0.07 from here to 0.07? Okay, that's what we do. Brother, this is my strategy as well, you know very well. This is what I do. we made, or I can be perfect, okay, if you made 400% 5x from this coin, you did an amazing job. If you did 400% 5x return from this coin, you did an amazing job. If you did less than 100% from this coin, bro, you have to work hard. So the question is that, how do I find 100% gain? Bro, 100% is a piece of cake, man. Even you found it, look, 10x potential. But the situation is that, what I actually like it, you have to secure the profit. And Buy for Sale knows very well that finding 100% 2x coin is nothing in crypto. The most important that is that, are you keeping the profit? Are you securing the profit? That's why my main strategy in swing trading, whatever coin you are buying, I don't care. SNSY or ENA or SUI, it doesn't matter. My recommendation for people that, first, when you make 100% 2x, get your initial investment back. That's the half of the position sale, and let the coin goes as long as Engineering Robo AI turns bearish. That's my strategy.
Yeah, that's
so
good.
Finding 100% 2x, brother, is a piece of cake. Like, anyone can find it. You just buy and wait. That's the, like, buy. For example, after the accumulation zone is completed, buy this coin and wait it. Sooner or later, you will make 2x. Or when Engineering Robo gives 3 out of 5 confirmation, enter the trade and wait. Brother, can you click the replay? Thank you so much, bro. You are the best. And can you click the 18 October or, yeah, maybe go a little bit, maybe, okay. Not right now. Yeah, continue, brother. Not right now. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Yeah. Done. Stop. Brother, look at it. AI social intelligence score is 5. That's number 1. AI by 2. Cloud is green. That's the 3. What is 4? 4, it broke the accumulation zone. It broke the accumulation zone. This is advanced level. This is the advanced level. You have to know that. This is 4. And 5 is smart money. And what does it mean, balance? Some whales are buying it. Some whales are still thinking or selling it. That's the balance mean. And then, okay. Now that's the answer of the question. How do you find it? I review the coin, and when I got 3 out of 5, I enter the coin. That's my strategy. And now look, smart money is in right now. Thank you, whales. You just wait. Don't worry. Don't rush. Just wait.
Yeah, this is a really good example.
Amazing example, brother. This is an amazing example.
Okay, we got another question from Rab. He's asking, what is in the private Telegram group that you have? What kind of value does he get there?
Brother, I don't want to give this answer. Maybe you can give this answer.
Yeah, so Rab, number one, if you're trying to learn how to scalp, I mean, engineer, when, a lot of times he'll have moments where he sees either the market is bullish or it's bearish, or, maybe a coin has gone up 100% like he talks about, and somebody, might be looking for a play. Well, I'm sure people are always looking for plays, but he'll help the group out sometimes when he has time or when he sees the market in a certain position. And he will share these plays to show you exactly how to watch, so he'll say something like, okay, this token's had 100% move. Watch these levels on the 5-minute chart or whatever, minute chart it is. And then he'll help you make money that way. But the goal of that for him is he's just trying to teach you to how to, how to do it for yourself. It's not necessarily that he's trying to just give you a buy sell signal. He's really just wanting you to learn how to do it for yourself. So it's kind of like what we do in our group as well. We try to teach to where you're more self-sufficient. But you'll also have members in here, posting plays ahead of time. Engineer gives very detailed explanations here so that you can understand what he's looking at and how he's systematically, breaking down this trade. He'll also talk about macro things sometimes, whether he feels like the market could go down before, it goes back up or vice versa. So there's a VIP.
Yeah, I am good at it. Yeah, for that one, I am good at it.
Yeah.
With experience, I am a little bit good at it. With this 9 years of gut feeling, I am a little bit good at it.
So yeah, he's got a VIP alert channel that's just where he posts. And he also has like a volume alert bot here now. And then there's a chat group where you can chat with other people or with him. So those are some of the things that you get. Yeah, Bhavani is. Oh, so Bhavani must actually be in the group. Yeah, he's saying ERAI is the solution. Whenever you see somebody use ERAI together like that, that's Engineering Robo AI. It's just a shortened way of saying it.
Yeah, amazing, bro.
Okay, I think we're caught up. Did you want to go over the buy sell levels? You said you wanted to look at that.
Is there any other question that?
And y'all can talk on the mic. I mean, if you want to ask questions on the mic, that's fine.
I guess no more question then.
Yep, I think we're good.
Okay. Brother, best buy, best sell level for investor. I want just only that one.
Okay. Do you want it on the regular Binance chart?
No. So it has to be show all of them. I don't know why it's only showing like this to you. That's not the correct one. Because you are on the weekly.
Yeah, well,
that's
that's the index.
No.
Hey,
No. BTC, no. This is the same. BTC USDT index on daily. Because we were on the monthly, bro. That's the reason it didn't show up.
True.
Yeah, true. Brother, can you zoom out? And then maybe we can start from the beginning and I can give you some idea to people.
Okay.
You can show 2010, 2011. Bike for sale, you are also recording this one, right, brother?
I am, yes.
Yeah, we can share it on your YouTube channel if you want. And we can also share it in the chat group. And some people, keep asking me and I couldn't find any time to explain. I am sure that it will be so useful for them too. Okay. So guys, we are seeing two moving average line on the chart right now. I am not the founder of this strategy. There are many strategies on internet similar to this one. I personally developed a little bit. This time, I also got help from AI. So what AI did, AI put some simulation and changed the formula a little bit and created this last final edition. So how this two moving average line works and how we can get help from this two moving average line. I name it for this strategy best buy and best sell level for investors. Best buy and best sell levels for investor, not for scalpers, not for swing trader, investor. But every crypto trader could be a scalper too. So how this strategy works, like this. So simple, easy. Even 7 years old kid can understand. If you have a daughter, son, you can explain to them and they can understand. Once the candles are inside the green zone, brother, can you show me the beginning of 2012? Yes, 2012. Yes, that one, the small one. The first one, first green zone. As long as candles are inside the, thank you, brother, I do appreciate it. As long as candles are inside the green zone, it is time to accumulation. We don't trade inside this green zone. As an investor, we accumulated. Once the candles leave the green zone, it is the perfect time to become a swing trader. Let me tell you one more time, this is such an important thing. As long as candles are inside the green zone, it is the perfect time to become an investor. Once the candles, they break the green zone, it is the perfect time to become a swing trader. So, as a swing trader, is the perfect time to trade. Until when? Until the red zone area. Thank you, brother. That's the perfect. I always want to look at from the bigger perspective. So, what we gonna do inside the red zone? Inside the red zone, it is the every single time your taxi driver, your teacher, your friends, your barber, your butcher, everyone talks about crypto on news, on television, maybe still on radio or YouTube channels. So inside the red zone, everyone talk. Thank you, brother. That's the correct word. Everyone talk about crypto, and this is the perfect time to exit your position inside the green zone. However, there is one important question that you have to ask yourself. Bro, this green zone or this red zone could be so huge. How can I sell at the perfect level? That's a great question. And the answer is that you should always get help from AI tech profit signals. That's the number one. Number two, get help from Engineering Robo AI. 3 out of 5 confirmation or only AI sell inside the red zone. Inside the red zone is the perfect time we get out of our position. The best time to sell everything, once the candles, they leave the red zone. So you can keep selling inside the red zone by getting help from AI tech profit signal or Engineering Robo signal. But the best time to or last time to sell, once the candle they leave this area. Thank you so much, brother. Once the candle they leave the red line or red zone, it is the perfect time to become a scalper. This is so important, guys. Once the candle they leave inside the red zone, it is the perfect time to become a scalper. So between July to November is that you can scalp trading, you can short, you can long, you can short, you can long. And inside the red zone one more time, that's the only once it happened that huge. Whatever you have, you can exit the market. But I don't think it will happen one more time. But still, this time, if you are holding a little bit, if you say that, hey, I just keep it 10% to myself, 20% to myself, if you want to exit, this is the perfect time to exit completely. And I don't think it will never again in the market again. And once the candles, they leave the red zone, I am telling one more time again, guys, this is the perfect time to become a scalper. And I want to tell this one to Buy for Sale as well, because Buy for Sale told me that, hey brother, many people in my Discord group is swing trader. And I am telling everyone again, if you are a swing trader, I am so sorry for you at this area. You will lose so much money. Because if you want to make money all this area, the only one way that you should be a scalper. That's the perfect time to become a scalper. Brother, can you continue with the chart, please? Can you also zoom out a little bit? Thank you. Thank you so much, brother. Okay, so now we are looking at between 2015 and 2016 green area. This area is the perfect time to become a crypto investor. And once the Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin candle inside the green zone, my recommendation to people, keep buying crypto. But the one condition, let's say that Buy for Sale makes $5,000 per month as an engineer. I am just making up. $10,000 he is making per month. And he is separating $2,000 every month. And this $2,000, he's saying that it is inside the green zone. I want to put it this $2,000 every month to crypto. One condition. The condition is, as long as Bitcoin is in the green zone, 50% of his investment should go to the Bitcoin, $1,000, and the other $1,000 should go to any random coin. Please, 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 when the Bitcoin is in the accumulation zone, you should keep 50% in Bitcoin. Why 50% in Bitcoin? Because every bull market starts with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin doesn't go up first, altcoin doesn't start. Because after we became swing trader again in 2016, can you show me in 2016, brother? All these times, almost 6-8 months, altcoins, they didn't move at all. 2016, beginning of 2016 until November 2016, altcoins, they barely move. Even though altcoins, Bitcoin went up 2, 3, 4x. And this is the November 2016, I became a crypto trader. I was lucky enough to start at the perfect level. But please, guys, I want to tell you, I was only lucky enough to start at the good level. However, I didn't have any tools to trade. We didn't have any crypto trader. We didn't have any Discord group. We didn't have any YouTube channel. We have nothing. We were just randomly trading. And it's a different story that I can tell you for the next live stream. And this is the perfect time between 2016 and 2018 to become a swing trader. Became swing trader is a huge profitable time between these two times. And 2018, can you show it, brother? Can you a little bit zoom in? I don't want to see the past. I want to see future, and I want to zoom in a little bit. Thank you, brother. That's the perfect thing I want. Exactly this chart. And inside the 2018, that's the time to start selling it. Your taxi driver, your doctor, your teacher, your friend, your butcher, everyone talk about it, crypto. This is the time to sell it. And if you ask me, bro, which time is the best? You can get help from AI Tech Profit. You can get help from Engineering Robo AI. But I can tell you one thing, that the last time to sell, the last train is leaving once the candle leaves from the red zone. This is the time you have to leave crypto became a back holder, and you have to become a scalper if you want to make money. And then we experienced 2018 bear market. Bike for sale. I met around the bike for sale around this time. And then we can see the COVID crash. Probably half of the members, they remember the COVID crash. We got one more chance. And brother, there's a tiny red zone. Can you show me that tiny red zone, please? Zoom in. Guys, I am so sorry, but this is the only time for you to exit the crypto. That's why Bike for Sale knows me very well. I am telling everyone that in my group or publicly, if you are a swing trader, you should dedicate 30 minutes per day into crypto. And that 30 minutes, at that time you put it 30 minutes, it will save your life. And more than 50-60% of the coins, they didn't recover, even though Bitcoin came to the same level. Brother, can you show November 2021? November 2021. Can you go up, 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 up? Can you show me the all-time high? Yes, brother. Thank you so much. That's the level I am asking. Even though Bitcoin came to this level, more than 50% of the coins, they didn't recover. For example, Ripple, it didn't recover. Many of the coins, they didn't recover. They launched a new coin during summertime, 2021, July, August, September. Exchanges, they launched a new coin. New coins, they went 10x. New coins, they made 50x. New coins made 5x return. But not more than 50 altcoins. And then what happened after November 9, 2021? Crash. And everyone knows this bear market. I personally accumulated, and if you look at my book, maybe some of you guys already read it, my book, and I was mentioning in my book that $15,000, $16,000, $17,000, $18,000 levels are good levels to buy. In my book, I mentioned that the ultimate bottom is $14,000. In my book, I wrote down 2 years ago. You guys can open and you can read it. And I said that the ultimate bottom is $14,000. It didn't drop to $14,000. However, my recommendation 15, 16, 17, 18, it fit at the last point. And now one of our member was asking, hey engineer, do you think we are in bear market? Bike for sale, brother, can you share your experience from here? Depending on this strategy.
My experience from here, from the bottom?
No, what is the top of this bull market depending on this strategy?
Oh, right. Well, I mean, we'll be watching, of course, for this red line at the top, which does move. You know, it is going to move over time.
Thank you, brother. That's this strategy. It has been working perfectly since 2010. God, please make sure this strategy is working one more year, please. And if it works one more year, brother, God, please. And if it works one more year, it will reach the $240,000 level, guys. I am personally okay with $200,000 too.
And that's exactly where mine is. I'm at 197K just based off of fibs.
My first target is 140. And after 140, I don't think that we will be stopping. But maybe we can stay a few months in 140.
Yeah, we can make a lot of money from now till, like you were saying, April, May, somewhere in there.
Brother, I guess by for sale, we already discussed you and I together, brother. I guess uh, they can make it a little bit longer, and maybe they can make it until the end of the year. I don't surprise. My first prediction was May. My first prediction was May, but actually now I am more 51%. I am more with May.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think this time could be different? Sure, brother. I am okay with the $200,000 too.
Yeah, I
And
think
this is
just
this is
based on
just
timing.
this is just one of the signal. But I am telling to people, if one of the guy he just asked the question, is this time could be different? If you ask my current situation right now, my personal opinion or Engineering Robo opinion, if you ask Engineering Robo's opinion, Engineering Robo is super bullish to many altcoins in the past 2-3 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, brother. Thank you so much. So 6 October or November, December, but generally after the Thanksgiving Day, the crypto is going after the Thanksgiving Day most of the time. If
Mm-hmm.
it continue until that time, if
Yeah,
it ends in the May, if it ends in May, but if it doesn't end May, generally it is going November, December, bro.
yeah. Well, I talk a lot about that in our group about seasonality. I mean, we've always seen, right, where Q1, Q4 is where we see most of the gains. So hopefully we continue to see that.
So there is one uh, unpopular question. The unpopular question is that is the bull market is ended? Bro, if you look at Engineering Robo AI right now, he already gave all the sell signals for altcoins a few weeks ago. If bear market started right now, and if I don't know, and I don't think so, Engineering Robo will be right because it already gave 2 weeks ago. I will be wrong. I personally will be wrong. But if you tell me which one is better, engineer with 9 years experience or Engineering Robo AI with 5 years experience, which one I will go? I will go with Engineering Robo AI with 5 years experience is better than engineer with 9 years experience. I am sorry. So Engineering Robo AI is bearish right now. And let's pray to the God that Engineering Robo AI turns to the bullish shortly. But if it doesn't turn bullish, there is no reason to talk about the moon signal, moon target, 100,000, 200,000 level, 2,400, 40,000. Don't talk about these scenarios until Engineering Robo AI turns bullish again. That's my realistic side. And I share it in the VIP group. Please, please, please do not talk bull targets again until the 5 conditions met. I already shared it in the VIP alert group. But one thing I guys want to tell you guys that Engineering Robo is bearish to many altcoins right now. Until they turn to bullish, I will not talk about the moon target. 5x return, 600% return, 700%. I will not talk until Engineering Robo turns bearish. Until that time, I will make money from scalping. I will make money once the coin pumps 100% out of nowhere.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see. Is there any other questions here? I'm just reading through chat. Yeah, Kurt is saying, so the red zone will be time to sell again, or do you think this time could be different? You may have already answered that. I'm not sure. We're hoping that the red zone will show up again for us.
Brother, it worked 15 years, man. Buy for sale. It worked 15 years, bro. Like, please, it should work one more year, man. I don't want anything else. I just want one more year to work. and I am done with it. I
And then
appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Yeah, Epicure is asking which coins have you noticed that ERAI has been most bullish? Yeah, I mean, there's a lot to go through, Epi. We can review some of those.
You have to go through. You have to. But the question is that, and you know very well too, I don't care which coin to buy. And 2 years from now on, you will not remember which coin you bought and which coin you made money. The real question is that, did you make money from the coin you made? That's the ultimate question that people should ask themselves.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, here's a really good example, Epi. And I'm talking to Epicure. This one just got bullish according to.
Can you open the cloud as well? Can you open the cloud as well?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I would imagine it's probably under the cloud because it's been very bearish. Yeah, still well under it.
Mm-hmm. So cloud is bearish. Smart money is bearish. AI buy is positive. Social intelligence score is just turned to bullish. Just turned to bullish. If you ask my personal opinion, brother, buy this coin with 50% of your investment. Eventually, if you are investing $1,000 per coin, if you are eventually investing $1,000 per coin, put $500 to this coin right now and keep it as long as the coin is above 0.05.
Mm-hmm.
Keep it as long as it is above the 0.05. But if it goes below the 0.05, please, 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 please take the loss and leave it. If you don't think that you can handle taking the loss, and if you don't think you can handle, don't invest $500 right now. Mm-hmm. And if everything goes well, invest $500 right now and invest another $500 when Engineering Robo gives one more positive confirmation. It could be smart money could turn bullish. It could be one of the options, or cloud can turn bullish. And at the same time, I don't like AI social intelligence score 3, green 3. I don't like it. I generally like 4 or 5, generally like. But still, I do agree with the buy for sale. This could be my support resistance level as well too. If you really like this coin, if you really want to buy it, put it 500, but make sure that it stay above 0.05. And exit your position if it drops below. Because high chance that it will drop 0.05. I am telling you, high chance. It might be retest the downtrend line. It might.
Yeah, that's something that I try to remind them.
If Bitcoin drops below $90,000, everything will get a huge correction again.
Mm-hmm. And something you always taught is if you get a big green candle on an AI buy sell signal, sometimes you get that 50% retracement before it moves back up.
Yeah. Can you measure it? How big is this? Can you measure
it's probably
it?
Not that big.
Is it 15%?
15%?
15%?
20 to 30. Yeah, about 30.
Yeah, 30. Okay, brother. That's the amazing thing. Guys, I generally recommend to people, thanks so much for mentioning that one. I generally go with 15% above. So I have a concept that I call premium concept. And buy for sale knows very well. What does it mean? 15-20% premium concept means that if you miss to buying Engineering Robo confirmation, I always say 3 out of 5 confirmation, make sure that the difference is between 15 to 20. So Engineering Robo AI gave buy signal at $10. Do not try to buy if the coin goes above $15. No, it's a 15%. Sorry, my mistake. Don't buy above $11.50 or $12. Not $15 for sure. If it is $100, if the coin is $100, do not buy if the coin goes above $120. But between $100 to $115, that's the perfect. I am okay to pay that premium price concept. But at this example, there is no 3 out of 5 confirmation. This strategy should be applied different than premium concept. This strategy should be, I am putting $500, only one condition. It broke the downtrend line and it is above the support level. And as long as it is above the support level of 0.05, I will hold my position. If it drops, I will exit. But you should know that this is still bearish. And there is a high chance that it might drop below 0.05. That's all. That's all about risk management. It doesn't matter what coin you are buying. I have never heard about this coin in my life. Rapid QUIL? What does it mean? You know, just one of the shit coin again. But I don't care. I look at the chart, and this is a not bad chart. I can trade the chart. I don't trade the names.
Yeah. Okay, I think we're pretty much done unless anybody has some last questions or if you had anything else you wanted to mention, Engineer.
Brother, you have an amazing group. We got some amazing question as well. And what you did is a great example, especially the coins that you pick, you are sharing in the Discord group is good. You are pretty much explaining everything to them. What I like about your people, Bike for Sales, and I even told you to, brother, all these people are coming from your referral. They are coming to me with the right expectation. In 2020, 2021, I can call my partners or Engineering Robo affiliate or Engineering Robo member or Engineering Robo sharks, Engineering Robo students, whatever we call. I had one guy, he was sending me so many referrals. I don't want to mention his name. I like him. But one thing that I didn't like it that he was always talking about the moon targets, bull targets. This coin will go to 10x. This coin will go 100x. And then people were coming from this guy is saying that, oh, we bought Engineering Robo and expecting that this coin will go to 10x. Bro, Engineering Robo AI didn't tell you that it will go to 10x. It will only tell you where to buy, where to sell, and that's how you can make the profit. But one thing I so much appreciate by for sale, brother, all the people are coming from your Discord group. They are well educated and they know what to expect. And thank you so much for educating people on Engineering Robo AI.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, it all came from you, right? I mean, I learned everything from you, and
I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah. I mean, I definitely believe it's the best indicator, and I don't say that just because. I mean, of course, I own it too. I paid for it as well. So, I want to use the best tools. That's the main
Brother,
thing.
look at it, man. Look at this chart. Forget about the talking about aging about. This chart is working. Look at the signal. I look at it. I mean, sure, back testing is one of the bonus as well, but this chart is working. That's why I want to trade it. That's why this is good. This QUIL chart is good. You did the downtrend line. Can you also open the dynamic support resistance level? It might even work well here.
I don't know if it's popping up for the daily on this one.
Probably it didn't show up there. Maybe at 12 hours.
Yeah, I'll just check.
We don't have enough daytime. Let's see. Maybe it can work on 12
There we
hours.
go.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Brother, perfect, man. Yeah, that even it is working perfectly. Look at this chart. Right? Even this one is working perfectly, bro. I personally, don't go with the 12 hours or something else, but just the test purposes that if it doesn't work on the daily chart, it doesn't work. If it works, it works. That's how I look at it. But still, brother, that's a perfect chart. You did it. Amazing thing. Yeah, this is maybe a little bit better. But yeah, bro, I like your risk management, man. Risk strategy. This is all about my last sentence is for the people that listening our live stream. Guys, it doesn't matter what coin you are buying. Bitcoin, Engineering Robo coin, Bike for Sale coin, Dogecoin, Shiba coin. I don't care what coin you are buying. The only question is that, are you applying Engineering Robo strategies for Engineering Robo members? 2 out of 5 strategy, or 50-30-20 strategy, 50-50 strategy. That's why I've been talking about for years and years, this strategy. If you have Engineering Robo AI, if you don't Engineering Robo AI, that's perfectly fine. My question is that, are you applying the risk management to your strategies? If yes, congratulations. That's all. Otherwise, it doesn't matter which coin you are buying. The most important is, where are you buying, which level you are buying, show me, and which level you are planning to sell. That's all that matters. If you have Engineering Robo AI, don't worry, it will tell you where to sell. But if you don't have Engineering Robo AI, you should also decide which level you should sell it.
Yes, perfect. I mean, that is important. And we do talk about that some as well. It's very important to not be over invested. It's very important to take profits when they're there. You know, like you were saying with the AI sell signal or your resistance levels. So yeah, I mean, if anybody is interested in learning from Engineer, he does have courses. This wasn't really intended to be a thing where we're trying to sell you Engineering Robo. That's not what it's about.
Yeah, absolutely. No, we are just showing them what we are doing it, what we are
Right.
trading to them.
Yeah, I mean, if it's interesting to someone out there, I did post the link here in our Discord, and you can check it out. The 7-day free trial. You don't have to do anything. You just do the 7-day free trial, and I believe our link is the only one that you can get access to the actual AI version. So normally you wouldn't even get access to the AI version for free for 7 days. So it was kind of engineered to do that for us, to where you could see it in real time. So just check it out, see if you like it, right? I mean, there's no obligation at all. You're just checking it out to see if it's something you would enjoy. But yeah, we just want to help. That's what we're here for. We want to see people succeed.
I mean, brother, we make money no matter what.
Mhm.
Bike for sale. Brother, like with them or without them, we already put so much time, so much effort, so much money. You know that. Like you invested your money for education. Brother, you invested your money for the tools. You put your time. You opened the YouTube channel. Not for other people, for yourself at the beginning. So I am telling everyone, even in my VIP group or chat group as well. Guys, I will make money. I am so sorry, with you or without you. This is what I am doing it. If you want to make money along me, beside me, I am always welcome to share my knowledge, and I am sharing it. But if you don't want to do it, I am so sorry, I cannot trade behalf of you. So same thing for your people, brother. If they want to see that you are succeeding, you are successful, what I can expect, they should follow your way. If they don't, good luck to them, right?
Right. Yeah, exactly. I mean, we want to help people that want to help themselves.
Yeah, brother. First, they have to have. That's a great thing, man. First, they have to decide to help themselves.
And we have a lot of those people. I know you do too. So it's a great thing. It's good to see a community that wants to help one another like that. That's what we
Exactly.
want to see.
Yeah.
We want to see.
Okay. Well, I guess that's it. Engineer, we sure appreciate you joining today. Maybe we can do another one of these in the future, like you said. But this
Yeah,
was
absolutely, brother. Thank
it
you
was
so much
very
for
helpful.
inviting me to your Discord live stream. I am so much appreciated. It was good. Maybe 3 months later or 6 months later, maybe we can do it one more live stream, and 6 months later we can see where we are standing, and then we can maybe quote something that, hey guys, what we said 6 months ago, and now what it came through, what is not, and we might do it some evaluation of our performance 6 months from now on.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, well, thank you all for joining us. And again,
Thank you.
Engineer,
Thank you for the invitation.
I know you're a busy guy, and we sure appreciate you joining us. And
Yeah.
we look forward to seeing what happens over the next couple of months.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you,
Okay.
Morris.
Take care, all.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you, everyone, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.